I love a home that feels collected, that has personality. You know, you can feel the soul. I am Athena Calderone, and I'm an interior designer. We're at my home in Amagansett. A lot of the materials that I use have a beautiful tactility to it, something that you want to touch, that have a time-worn patina to them. It tells your story. It's a piece of the life that you've lived in your home. The Hamptons inspires me creatively in ways that are just absolutely countless. Being here just forces you to slow down and realize the things that you are missing that you weren't even aware of. You know, just having your feet in the grass or on the sand, to be able to feel the art in this community is just something so special. Just down the road is the Pollock house, where, you know, you can literally go into the barn where Jackson Pollock was creating. And then there's these fairs that pop up, and then there's the Parrish Museum. For me, there is no greater place to connect with your family, with your friends, with your community than around the table. And this home allowed me to connect deeper to myself. I discovered the precious, taste of biting a spring pea straight from the farm. Honestly, when I get to cook and I just have people everywhere and we're drinking wine and we're laughing and chatting as I'm cooking, it's just it's my happy place for sure. For me, my home is my workshop, and I take inspiration from the home itself, but also the surrounding nature and the people that inhabit this community as well. When I rent this home, I really do believe that it allows people to enjoy the home as I do, because they feel connected through what I'm connected to.